Pavers are one thing, but the support you get is another. I could call my TM right now and I'll look at my phone, it could be 7:30, and I'm pretty sure Tim will answer. He is, as far as territory managers go, I'd say he's pretty much the gold standard. We've been an authorized contractor since 2016. Unilock has helped our business by providing us with resources and training. We use Unilock UVision for all of our renderings. Working with Unilock is very easy for us. Just becoming part of the authorized contractor community, you meet other contractors, and it's a pretty close-knit group where everybody helps each other and wants to see each other succeed. Selling Unilock or being part of the authorized contractor program has helped us sell jobs. I don't know of any other companies that offer an authorized contractor program comparable to Unilock's. There's others out there that will certify their contractors, but they do not provide near the support or the resources that Unilock does. My name is Bill Murphy, and I am a Unilock Authorized Contractor.